How you want me when you got a girl? The feeling is reckless of knowing it's selfish, knowing I'm desperate, getting on in it, left falling all over love. I do it till it's last, hanging out the back, all of me you last.
What's popping? It's your girl, Gorgeous LaKyla, and I am back again after months of not being active on my YouTube channel. I am so sorry. I just felt very unmotivated to do YouTube. I feel like you guys deserve the best. So in order to get the best, I had to take a break, come back, figure out what I wanted for my channel, what direction I wanted to go for my channel, and then then that way I can continue producing good content for you guys. But yes, I am back. I am here to stay. I promise you. If I leave again, listen, y'all can take over my channel. How about that? But yeah, I am back today. There's been a lot going on. I'm just catch you guys up real quick, and then we're gonna jump right into this wig review. To sum things up, I was on the homecoming court. I think we had homecoming like 2 weeks ago. So yeah, I was on the homecoming court. I was the senior princess. So that was exciting. I'll insert pictures like right here or right here, or they might just both be right here. But yeah, those are the few pictures of me on homecoming. It was really good. It was really good. It was a great experience. Oh, and I also have a Facebook makeup page where I go live and I do makeup tutorials and stuff on there. I just find it easier to go live on Facebook doing makeup tutorials opposed to doing it on YouTube. I feel like YouTube is a lot of pressure, and you gotta be like, it has like the picture and the quality has to be real, like professional and stuff. Facebook is real easy, just prop my phone up, doesn't matter what position it's in, start doing makeup, and there you go. But yeah, I have a Facebook makeup page now. You guys should really follow me on there if you want to see the tutorials and stuff that I do on that page. It's real cool, real chill. I'm always coming up with creative ideas. So yeah, make sure you guys go check that out. What else has been going on? I haven't really been active on a lot of social medias except Snapchat. I'm always active on Snapchat. So if you want to catch me on Snapchat, I post like every day. I'll drop my name down. It'll be on the screen somewhere. But yeah, I'm always on Snapchat. I don't really get on Instagram anymore, but I'm about to start doing all of it again. That way I can stay in touch with you guys, because I don't want to just go ghost on you guys. Yeah, let's get into this wig review. So what I have on my head today is the wig called Charisma. I got it off of Amazon. I just took my senior portraits today. So I kind of needed like a last minute hairdo because the hair that I had in for homecoming, it was a quick weave. I showed you guys the pictures of my homecoming dress and stuff, but that hairstyle, it was a quick weave, so I had my actual hair out. And for, oh my gosh, so much stuff I haven't told you guys. So that was a quick weave. And it's been a long time since I've actually had leave out. The last time I had leave out was years ago when I was getting perms and stuff like this. So my hair laid most of the time. But now that I was transitioning, the weather did not cooperate with my hair and with the quick weave and with the leave out. So it was just a big mess. So I was ready to take the quick weave out because of the simple fact that my hair was out and I didn't know how to manage it because I didn't want to put heat in it. So yeah, that's why I took the quick weave out. The hair was bomb. Like I bought some bomb hair. So it was the hair was never the problem. It's just the fact that I didn't know how to manage my actual hair being out. So I just took the quick weave out. After I took the quick weave out, I washed my hair. I just felt like it was time to cut off the perm ends of my hair. I've been transitioning for a couple of months, and I just feel like it was time. So I just went on and cut the perm ends of my hair. So now I'm 110% natural. I'll probably insert a video of my little curly hair situation I got going on. It's real cute, but don't let the shrinkage fool you. The hair is longer than it looks. I am 110% natural now. No more transitioning. I still have a little while to go before I can rock the big puffs and stuff. But baby, it feels good to be 110% natural. I don't know, it just feels good because I've always wanted to go natural. Well, I'm not gonna say I've always wanted to go natural. I kind of went natural on accident because I wear wigs a lot. So it came to a point where it was a long time I went a long time without getting a perm. So after that long period of time without getting a perm, I just was like, well, hey, we done went 3-4 months, let's go 3-4 more. So that's kind of the situation with that. But yeah, that pretty much wraps it up. I'm natural, and I have a homecoming card, and I have a makeup Facebook page. I think I pretty much did caught you guys up on the important things. So now we can get into this wig review. So the name of this wig is called Charisma. Like I said, I got it off of Amazon. I needed a last minute hairstyle for my senior portraits, which I took today. So I kind of just went with the first thing that I saw, and this was the first wig that really caught my attention. So I went and got it. Again, it's called Charisma. I'll leave the link to this wig down below if you're interested in getting it. It was only $20. Yes, ma'am. $20. That's what I said. 20. $20 for this wig, baby. This look like bundles. This look like bundles. I know. I don't know if y'all can really see it, but yes, ma'am. $20 for this, and I am so satisfied. You know, it is a synthetic wig, but for it to be a synthetic wig, it definitely feels like, you know, feels like some good hair. What do I have to say about this hair? It's definitely long. I had to cut it a little bit when I first got it. When it came, it was kind of bulky at the top. It had like this little black thing on it. It's videos on how to like cut the little black thing out. I watched this video on how to cut it out. I wish I would have recorded, you know, the process of this wig, but I didn't really think I was gonna do a wig review on it, but I feel like a wig review is needed for this wig. But yeah, I cut it a little bit when I first got it because it was super long. I cut the little black little thing that made the wig bulky at the top. Again, if you don't know what I'm talking about, just look up videos, customization videos. I think it was a girl that I had watched who has a whole video on how to take the little bulky thing out. I put concealer in my part, and I was good to go. Now, one thing, the curls have fell on this side, and I tried to curl it with my curling iron, but it didn't really want to curl, so I don't think this wig holds curls well. But for the most part, it still looks good. I've had it for about, what, 4 or 5 days, I think. And it still looks bomb. I get a lot of compliments. Everybody is always complimenting me on this wig. Because, you know, you guys know I always wear color wigs. Any wig that has color in it. I just recently, the wig before this one was the Yara wig. I had bought another Yara wig, and it was the red one, and oh my gosh, that was my favorite wig. I felt like I looked so bomb in that wig, but I get so many more compliments in this black wig, so I'm starting to think people like me in black rather than other colors. But yeah, I think I'll post some pictures up of the red Yara wig. If you guys want me to do a review, or 3 months, I think it's been 3 months. Charisma came in this. That's the name of the wig. You'll find it on Amazon. But it came in this little packaging right here. You know, real cute, you know me. I'm trying to see what else to say. So yeah, so the length of this wig is 24 inches. No wonder it was that long. But it's 24 inches. It says minimum shedding, minimum tangle, heat resistant. Heat resistant. Does that mean, like, is that why it won't hold curls? Heat resistant? Is that why I don't want to hold curls? Because it's heat resistant? See, this is why you're supposed to read these little cards they give. But they give you a little card or whatever to read. And they give us a little wig cap. Girl, I forgot they gave us a wig cap. I'm still wearing this little old wig cap, girl. My wig cap got holes in it, baby. Looking like who did it and what for. Yeah, I'm just going to wrap this video up. That's pretty much all I had to say about this wig. You know, I just want to do a quick little update to let you guys know I'm back and I'm better. So be looking out for a girl, okay? Peace. Love you guys. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel because be expecting new content. Don't forget to follow my makeup page, my Facebook makeup page, which I'll link that down below as well. Follow me on Instagram at GorgeouslyKyla, and add me on Snapchat at guys_addicted. All of the information will be down below. I love you guys so much. Turn on that notification bell because you don't want to miss this content that I'm about to bring to this channel. You don't want to miss it. Stay tuned, and I'll see you guys in my next video.